Good morning students, welcome back. Let us start part 2 of lesson 3. In this part we are going to discuss firm operating in loss. So what is the explanation that we will see? Firm operating in loss. The firm operates in the short run with loss. In the short run, firm must endure what it cannot avoid and must not suffer from what it can avoid. In the diagram, OP is the price. OP is the price. The firm is in equilibrium at point R, producing OQ quantity of output. OP is the price. Equilibrium point is R, producing OQ quantity of output. Its revenue and costs are price is equal to OP, output is OQ. So total revenue is OQRP. Total cost is equal to average cost into quantity. It is OQLT. OQLT. This is average cost. When the average cost is here, it is touching over here. So total cost, average cost is OQLT. Total revenue is OQRP. So TFC is KJLT. Total variable cost is KJLT. Total variable cost. Total fixed cost is this. Total variable cost is OQJK. And total revenue is less than total cost, but total revenue is greater than total variable cost. The total loss incurred is equal to the part of fixed cost, that is PRTL or PRLT. PRL and T. This is the total cost incurred by the firm. So firm is operating into the losses. It covers the entire variable cost OQJK and also the part of TFC, total fixed cost, that is KJRP. What is necessary for the firm is to cover the total variable cost, which otherwise is an unavoidable cost. The fixed cost has to be incurred even if the firm is closed. Unless the firm wants to quit the business, which is not a wise decision in the short run, the firm continues to function since its TR is more than total variable cost, which enables it to cover the part of total fixed cost. Now what is shutdown point? In the diagram, OP1 is the price. OP1 is the price. This is OP1 is the price. The firm producing OQ1 output and earns total revenue just equal to the variable cost. Total revenue is equal to total variable cost. The firm is in equilibrium at point S, where total revenue is OQ1 SP1 is equal to total variable cost OQ1 SP1. So S is the shutdown point because total variable cost and total revenue is same. It is the shutdown point in the sense that any further decline in price will compel the firm to close down its operation. If the price is going down, P1, then firm cannot operate. In fact, one could term this point as a starting point, since the production starts at the point of total revenue is equal to total variable cost. Okay, so you can consider it as a shutdown point or a starting point, but below price P1, the firm is not in a position to work because it will bear the losses. It has to bear the losses. In the diagram, the firm is at shutdown point where price is OP1, price is OQ1, output is OQ1, Total revenue is OQ1SP1. Total cost is OQ1SP1. Total revenue is TVC. Total revenue is TVC is equal to total variable cost. The firm covers only total variable cost but incurs the loss to the extent of total fixed cost. In the short run, a firm requires to bear the loss to the extent of total fixed cost if necessary. Hence, it is expected to continue its operation as long as its total revenue covers the total variable cost when both are equal. The diagram explains the situation where the firm requires to close down or wait for better times to come. At point OP, the firm decides to produce its equilibrium output at OQ. At price OQ output firms decides to produce. And total variable cost is OQSN. Total revenue is OQRP. Total revenue is less than total variable cost by the amount PRSN. The firm's total loss is PRMT. Such a big loss. PRMT, which is made up partly by PRSN of TVC and NSMT, the total fixed cost. At this price OP, the firm is not in a position to close down and wait for the price to go up or cost to decline. Then it can cover at least total variable cost and possibly covers total fixed cost also. Look at the diagram. On the whole, what you have to understand is that where the total revenue and total cost. In total cost, there is a total fixed cost and total variable cost. Fixed cost cannot be changed. Variable cost can be controlled by changing the prices of the labor, or by giving less wages, or by paying less money to the laborers. All those things are possible. So firm has to see all the possibilities how they can cut down their total variable cost. Okay, so till that time, at least the price here the firm can wait to price to rise or to price to go up and cost to decline if they want to continue the business. This is what you have to explain about the shutdown point. Then firm operating losses. Loss, that is very clear that when total revenue is less and total variable cost is more, that is called as loss. So this is what the entire explanation about the firm operating in loss. You have to give the diagrams in a proper way and you have to explain in this way only. Okay, thank you very much.